Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to talk about binary addition. And if you know decimal, when we have a number addition like 9 plus 1, we will have a 0 and we have a carry 1 right here, and that one goes right here and we will get 1 0. The same applies to binary, but for binary the maximum number is 1. Like for decimal the base is 10, right? So the maximum number we can have is 1 less than the base, that is 9. For binary the base is 2, so the maximum number we can have is 1 less than the base, that is 1. So 0 and 1 are the only number in binary. Let's say we have 1 plus 1 in binary, and if we add these two together we cannot have 2, so we have a 0 and we have a carry 1 and we will get 1 0. So that's the thing we have to know. Now let's look at some examples. Let's look at 4 additions. 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 1 and then 1 plus 0 and then 1 plus, okay, let's put 1 plus 1. So let's add these 4 binary numbers. 0 plus 0, that's going to be 0. 0 plus 1, that's going to be 1. 1 plus 0, that's going to be 1. And 1 plus 1, we cannot have 2 in binary, so we have to have a carry right here, and this is going to be just 0 and we have 1. So that's going to be the addition. The same applies to decimal. When you have decimal, for example, let's look at a big number. Let's say we have 294, 563, 4 plus 3 is 7, 9 plus 6, what we get 5, and we have a carry 1 right here. 7 plus 1, that's going to be 8. So 857 is the conversion. So when we have a binary number 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is 0 and another 1, so that's 1 goes right here, and we have a carry, so that's going to make this one 1 1. Now this is what we are seeing is a full adder. We are adding 2 bits. Now let's look at what is full adder mean. So let's illustrate this one with a picture. So here we have a full adder, and let's say we have 2 numbers from the column an and bn and carry from the previous one cn minus 1, and then we are going to have a carry and also we are going to have a sum. So let's go ahead and create a table for this one so we can see what's going on clearly. Okay, so in order to do that I have to get rid of this one first. Okay, let's get rid of these things. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the table. So here we have the table. We need 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's complete this one. Okay, here we go. Now let's go ahead and create the table. So first we have a number an and another digit, that's bn, and also we have a carry from the previous one cn minus 1, and then we are going to have a sum sn, and then we are going to have a carry cn. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug values. So first let's put 0 0 0 0 0 1 and then 0 1 0, and after that 0 1 1, and after that 1 0 0, and then 1 0 1, and then 1 1 0, then 1 1 1. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the addition. 0 0, and we have a carry, we'll have 0 carry, so this is going to be just 0, and the carry is also going to be 0. 0 0 and carry 1, that's going to be 1, and the carry is going to be 0. 0 1, that's going to be 1 and the carry is 0, so this is going to be just 1 and the carry is 0. 0 1 1, 1 plus 1, that's 1 0, so we are going to have 0 and a carry, and this is 1 0 0, 1 and a carry is 0. 101 we are going to have 0 and the carry is 1, and 110 0 carry is 1, 111 we have 1 and the carry is 1. So this is what we call truth table for 1-bit full adder. Okay, so this is the truth table for 1-bit full adder. Now let's look at some big number additions. So let's say we have a number like 0 0 1 1 0 1 and another number 0 1 1 1 0 1, and 1 1 is going to be, okay, let's use a different color. 1 1 is going to be 0 and we have a carry 1, 1 0 0 that's going to be 1, and this is 1 1 that's going to be 0 and we have a carry 1, 1 1 0 and we had this one, this is going to be 1 and we have another carry 1 1 0 and we have 1 right here. For example, if we don't have this 0 0, we are going to have an overflow. This is what we call this machine of overflow. So we are going to have overflow. Now since we have this one, this is okay. Now 1 0 0, to verify this one we can always look at the original numbers. Like in order to convert this one to decimal, we have to look at powers. We know that each, like it start from 2 power 0 and each time it increase each 2 power. So let's look at the place. 2 power 0 1, so this is going to be 1, and we can go like 2 powers. First we have to know the 2 powers. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64, it goes like that, right? So this is 1 and this is 4 5, 1 plus 4 5, then 5 plus 8, that's going to give us 13. So this is 13, and this one is 1 and 4, that's 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 16, that's going to give us 29. So this is 29, 13 29, and if we add these two together we should get 42. Now let's verify whether we are getting 42. This place is, you can see that second place is 2, so this is 2, and 8 plus 2 10, and then this is 32 plus 10 42. So we are getting the correct answer, and this is, therefore this is correct, and that's how we do the binary addition. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.